Today's Sunday, I think. Yeah. I was looking on the fire restriction site, and there's a red flag warning out today. Supposed to be up until this evening sometime. Due to high winds and low humidity, they're taking extra precautions for the fires this year. So looks like there's not going to be any campfires tonight. And according to underground weather, maybe until the middle of the week or so, before the wind lets up. I was out here a little while ago, and this red flag went up about noon or so, something like that. And I was out here walking around a little bit, looking around, and right down there's some campers. I don't know if you can see it or not, but they got themselves a nice little fire going down there. Common sense tells me that when it's windy like it is, you don't start fires in a dry forest. I don't need anybody to tell me that. So anyway, I thought you guys would get a kick out of that. I don't know if you can hear the wind or not, but it's pretty windy. Out here by the road a little bit, look around. Yeah, it's gusting. They said 10 to 20 miles per hour, and then gusting up to 40 or over. So I just got a pretty good gust. It's supposed to be getting a little worse by 3 or 4 o'clock, and it's starting to taper off. So we'll see. They also said that it was going to be partly cloudy. And looks like there's some high wispy little clouds way up there, like overcast type. So no rain in the forecast. That tree, boy, they're waving around pretty good. I know what I wanted to show you. Tioga Trails was watched that video, the time lapse from the other day. He sent me a comment this morning saying it looked like there was a skull in the fireplace. I'm gonna go there and check it out. Said he freaked out at first. Nah, we'll find no skulls. No, well, that's what happens when I got needy neighbors coming around wanting to borrow a cup of sugar, or you know, they forgot their can opener. Can I borrow yours? I just put them in the fire. No, just kidding. I guess that rock does kind of look like a skull in a way. Had a couple of eyes and an open mouth there on the bottom. Yeah. And like I said, I'm just kidding. Well, it sure does smell good, though, that fire. Had hot dogs last night. Didn't eat it all, left a little piece. So I threw it up by a tree. Hadn't seen any animals around, so I threw that little hot dog out there, and sure enough it was gone this morning. Oh, somebody got dinner. Forest Service has been in here cutting. Looks like they've been thinning out some trees. Preparation for this year's fire preparation. That would be the big old wood pile. Several of them all around. Not for me though. I guess that's enough. Well, I think I got that fire going pretty good now. I don't understand. Let's keep an eye on it, I guess. I guess we'll head inside. Do some editing. Hang out with the kitty. Love you guys. Hope you all have a good day. See ya.
If you'd like to see more video from Truck Camper Adventures, please subscribe. Don't forget that thumbs up button. And also, I'd appreciate your comments in the comments section. Thanks.